Hi everybody, welcome back to the hardreset.info channel. Today I'm going to tell you where you can easily find the user guide for your remote control. So at first go to the left to this control panel. Now scroll down, go down to the settings and click it. Now click settings, all settings, and here scroll to the general and privacy. Click that and click accessibility. Here scroll down till you see the Learn the Smart Monitor remote. Click that. And as you can see here, once you click the button on your remote, it says what it does. And even the power button, every just single button you have. And how to exit? What to do to the exit? We have to press and hold to the exit, and now, as you can see, we have here button exit. But to exit the user guide, we have to double click this button. Now here, as you can see, we want to exit the user guide, exit. And that's how it works. Goodbye!